In this video, our hair model has grown out platinum hair. Her hair lacks moisture and shine and is very frizzy. She has about 6 inches of level 3 new growth. To protect her previously lightened ends, we are applying the Hypersilk Revitalizing Mask. This creates a barrier to protect the blonde from banding, damage, and breakage. It's also going to serve as a mini moisture treatment. We're going to begin with a platinum card technique to get the maximum amount of lift, leaving out about a ½ inch of new growth from the scalp. After we shampoo the lightener from her hair, we pre-tone. This is going to help neutralize any unwanted undertones and provide a better canvas for the final glossing. Once processed, we shampoo twice and rough dry until the hair is 100% dry. We're applying our Color Pro Keratin formula, which uses borage oil and flex shield technology. This is going to add much needed moisture and protect the hair from UV rays and any color fading. Now you can blow dry the treatment into the hair. Once the hair is about 80% dry, you can use a paddle brush to help smooth it out. When flat ironing, pull the subsections of hair 90 degrees from the scalp and pass over the roots, mids, and ends 7 times each. Now we can wash the keratin out using sodium chloride free shampoo. If you need to apply a final glossing or a root tap, now is the time to do so. Now we're going in with our signature cocktail of smoothing balm and advanced serum. This creates the perfect heat protectant lotion for smoothness and shine. You can style as desired. Having platinum blonde hair requires lots of love and care. It's more porous and is unable to lock in the moisture that it needs. It can cause the color to fade quickly too. Color Pro is going to give our platinum model the right amount of moisture and take out the frizz while working within the cuticle to strengthen bonds and provide color and UV protection.